Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add zip code to vanilla gift card. So I will be explaining to you guys. So first, you have to log in to the official website vanillagift.com in any browsers that you have. So from here, this website can assist you on how to add zip code to your gift card. So as you can see here in the home menu, you can find it there, but just go ahead and tap the three horizontal lines on the upper left and then click the fax right here. So as you can see here, there are a lot of frequently asked questions here. So let's just find the questions we are looking for. How to add zip code to vanilla gift card. So just go ahead and scroll it all the way down until you find it. But you can't find it there. So this is the only way to get help from them, the contact us. So as you can see here, if you already purchased a vanilla Visa gift card, if you have questions about vanilla Visa gift card you've already purchased, please contact us for assistance at this number right here. So just go ahead and call that number and then ask them to add zip code to your vanilla gift card. So that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.